Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play color or die on Roblox. This thrilling game challenges you to navigate a complex maze while evading a relentless monster. Your primary goal is to collect various paint buckets, which not only allow you to open corresponding colored doors, but also provide a crucial hiding mechanic. When you possess a color, you can stand against a wall of that same color to become invisible to the monster. You must also find 13 paintbrushes to ultimately escape. The game features a sprawling maze filled with secrets and dangers. You'll need to explore thoroughly to locate paint buckets and other essential items. Tools such as a screwdriver or a saw are vital for unlocking new pathways and progressing through the chapters. Always stay alert. Your screen will distort and menacing sounds will begin when the monster is nearby, signaling you to find a safe wall or a hiding spot immediately. Your journey through color or die follows a specific color progression, typically starting with black, then moving to red, orange, yellow, and beyond. Each time you use a paint bucket to open a door, you lose that color, temporarily removing your ability to hide. This makes finding the next color quickly paramount. Be cautious, as being caught by the monster results in losing one heart. Losing all your hearts will reset your current progress. To achieve victory, your main objective is to collect all 13 paintbrushes scattered throughout the maze, which will unlock the final exit. Learning the maze layout and discovering shortcuts can significantly improve your escape time. For those seeking an edge, the in-game shop offers helpful items like extra lives or running shoes, providing a speed boost to outmaneuver the monster. Strategic play and quick thinking are key to survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.